This is what I will call day 2. We're going to do all the transformations all over again. I'm going to go through a couple of example problems. This time it shouldn't look as new to you. This is the second time going through similar problems, and hopefully you can go, yeah, I know what is going on now. Okay, first 8 are just not transformations, they're review. So circumference of a circle, first we need to know that circumference is 2 pi r, and r stands for the radius. And so this says circumference of a circle with radius 5, so 2c equals 2 pi r. 2 times pi times 5, 10 pi. Sometimes it will be left like that, and then pi is 3.14, so multiplying it by 10 would be 31.4. These are both valid answers. Sometimes I will ask you to leave it in the form of pi, sometimes you'll do it as a numerical. Those are equivalent. Perimeter of a rectangle, remember perimeter is drawing a fence around a rectangle that has a base and a height. Notice I'm drawing a picture, and I have a 6 and a 7 and a 6 and a 7, and I'm going to start here, and I'm going to walk around 7 plus 6 plus 7 plus 6. So I have 13 and 13, which is 26 units, because I'm wrapping a fence around a pen, and this is also, so this would be units also. Perimeter of a right triangle, well, I know what a right triangle looks like. And it says with a base of base of 8 and a height of 6. Remember, I'm drawing a fence. I don't know all of the sides, so I'm going to have to do Pythagorean theorem, or you're going to have to know that that is a 3, 4, 5 right triangle, and the 6, 8, 10 should be one of those that you memorize. So that's a 6, 8, 10. So that's 6 and 8 is 14, and 10 is 24 units. That's why we learn our triples. Perimeter of a right triangle with legs of 24 and 25. So I'm going to do 24 and 25. First I have to find the hypotenuse. So I have to do 24 squared plus 25 squared. I actually have to do my calculator on that. And when I do my calculator, I get 34.6. So 34.7, 34.7. And I'm now going to add 24 plus 25, 24 and 25 and 34.7, which is 0.7. 103.7. Circumference of a circle with radius 4. C equals 2 pi r. C equals 2 pi 4. That's 8 pi. 8 pi is going to be less than 10 pi. And 8 pi is 25.1 units, or 8 pi units. They're equivalent. A rectangle with a base of 8 and a height of 11. So I have an 8 and 11, 8 and 11. That's 19 and 19, which is 38 units. A perimeter of a right triangle with base 5 and 12. So I have, a base 5 and 12. And if I know my triples, then it is a 13. If I don't, I have to go through Pythagorean theorem. And then that's 5 plus 12 plus 13, which is 25, 15, 25, 30 units. And here is a base of 10 and a height of 3. That is not a triple. I'm going to have to do Pythagorean theorem. And then I do the square root of 3 squared plus 10 squared. And I get 10.4. And so I have 10.4 plus 10 plus 3, which is 23.4 units, because I'm doing in perimeter. So that's a review before we start into our transformations for the day.